Hi guys and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you this almost new Suzuki GSX-R125. It's a 2020 20 plate bike that's covered just 69 miles. It's barely been used. Previous owner bought it with the intention of doing their CBT. Unfortunately the way of the world was unable to do so, and so we've ended up with it 69 miles from new, and so as you'd expect the condition is as new, but I'm going to walk you around it so you can have a little look. So as you'd expect, front tyres, brand new. This is an ABS bike, so you can see the ABS track there just around the front wheel. Single disc on this. Forks are in very good condition, as you'd expect. All the fairings are clean and tidy. There's no scratches, rub marks, or dings of any kind, and of course the bike is HPI clear, as you'd expect for a 69 mile bike. Cosmetically, the bike is immaculate with the exception of this small mark on the exhaust on this side. Unfortunately, very common. The paint on these is very thin. You might want to replace that exhaust. We can fit an aftermarket exhaust for you. We do offer some discount as well. Exhaust for these start about £150, so you can ask us about that, and obviously we can fit it to the bike before delivery. Same goes with things like tail tidy. You might want a tail tidy, a seat cowl, anything like that, just ask us and we can give you a price, not a problem. Come on the other side. Great little 125cc, obviously learner legal, CVT legal. It's a really popular bike, one of the more powerful in terms of power to weight ratio. These nice low seat height, really easy to get on with if you're just getting onto a sports bike with a CBT. So there you can see chain and sprockets, rear tyre, everything like that is as new. No signs of any drops on this side. Fairings are immaculate, as is the rest of the bike. These are a little bit unusual, these. They've actually got keyless ignition. So what you get is a fob like this, and that operates keyless ignition. So you just switch that on, and then fully digital dash. There you can see the mileage there, 65 miles. Let's give it a start up for you. So as you can see, it's pretty much a brand spanking new motorbike, so good saving on new. Still got the rest of the manufacturer's warranty and only done 65 miles, so hasn't even had to have its first service yet. We do offer all the usual dealer facilities. At the moment we're offering free delivery on this bike, so make sure you take advantage of that. It's just for the lockdown periods, so I don't know when that's going to end. We do offer finance as well, and we offer part exchange. You can reach out to us via Facebook, WhatsApp. We've got live chat on both the website and on Auto Trader, and of course I'm happy to take any calls. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.